This awesome spicy Thai basil with tofu is one of my family favorite and I would like to share it with you. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is spicy Thai basil with tofu. It's slightly spicy, slightly sweet, amazingly flavorful. Let me show you how to make it. Come on. We will start with making the sauce. Now, oyster sauce is the one that gives this dish its unique taste. If you substitute it with anything else, the end result will not be the same. The combination of the other ingredients makes this dish so good. Give it a good mix so that the sauces blend well. Make this ahead for the flavors to mix and settle. If you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Also, do check out my Instagram link mentioned below. Thank you. I'm using these Thai red chillies which are spicy yet full of flavor. So beautiful, right? Chop them up finely and saute with finely chopped garlic. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so don't worry about missing out anything. I'm using baby bella mushrooms, but you can even substitute them with any other mushrooms like button mushrooms or any other small mushrooms that are easily cooked. We just want the mushrooms to wilt slightly. I have cut the veggies into squares for even cooking. You can also add small cut broccoli florets. We don't want to overcook the veggies. I have shown how to fry tofu in my earlier video, Thai red curry. Do check it out. And now for the yumminess, the sauce. Look at how the veggies started looking so vibrant when we added the sauce. A well garnished dish is always welcoming. Here I am using Thai basil, which is the most essential ingredient for this dish. Try to find this first. If not, you can use any other basil, but the flavor will change a bit. Garnish and we are ready to serve. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.